Stay home, save lives.
Hello students, let's learn the if-else conditional statement. This form of if statement tests a condition, and if condition evaluates to true, it carries out statements indented below if, and in case condition evaluates to false, it carries out statements indented below else. The syntax of the if-else statement is as shown here. Let's look at the following code fragment. Please notice the colon is in both the if header as well as else line. The statements in if block and else are indented. Now, if you look at the variable x in the if statement, if value of x is equal to 90, the program will give you the output right angle. If it is not equal to 90, it will give you the output not a right angle. Let's write a program using if-else conditional statement. The program should ask for age. If age is greater than or equal to 18, it should print you are an adult. Otherwise, it should print you are a minor. In this program, the first statement, a equal to int input enter age, will ask the user to enter a value for age which will be stored in the variable a. The if statement, if a greater than equal to 18, will check the value that is there in a. If it is greater than or equal to 18, the program will give the output you are an adult. Otherwise, it will give the output you are a minor. Let us consider the following outputs. When you execute the program will prompt you to enter age. If you enter age as 19, the output would be you are an adult, as 19 is greater than 18. Let's look at the second output. Now, if you have entered age as 12, the else block will be executed as age is less than 18, and the output would be you are a minor. Let's look at another example. The program should ask for two numbers and print the greater number. Consider the following program. We have two input statements here. The first will help you store a value in x. The second will help you store a value in y. With the if statement, value in x and y will be compared. If value of x is greater than y, the statement in the if block will be executed and the greater number which is there in x will be displayed. Otherwise, the else block will be executed and the greater number which is in y will be displayed. Let's look at the following outputs. When you execute the program and the first number entered is 24 and the second number that you enter is 5, 24 is stored in x and 5 is stored in y. When the condition x greater than y is evaluated, x has a greater value, so the output would be greater number is 24. If you run the program again and you enter the first number as 10 and the second number as 12, now x has value 10 and y has value 12. So when the condition x greater than y is evaluated, y has a greater value. So the else block is executed and the output would be greater number is 12.